Want to wipe the slate clean and erase your entire YouTube history? This video will guide you through clearing your watch history on both desktop and mobile devices. Whether you want to protect your privacy or remove embarrassing searches, this guide is for you. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Thank you. How to clear all YouTube history on iPhone or Android. The first step is to launch the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. The process should be the same on both devices. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a section called History. Tap on View All in the right of the title. You will see a list of all the videos you watched. You can clear all YouTube history by tapping the three dots menu from the top right. Here you have the option to clear all watch history. You can tap on that and you can delete all your history. Confirm by tapping Clear Watch History. Please remember that doing so will remove all the history of the watch videos and you cannot recover back this history. So be very careful if you want to do this. So you have learned now how to clear YouTube history on iPhone and Android, how to clear all YouTube history on PC or MacBook. To do this, you need to access YouTube on your web browser. Open Chrome and write on the address youtube.com. Ensure you are signed into your YouTube account on the device where you want to clear your history. You can go to the section for history by using the menu from the left. If you do not see the menu, click on the menu button from the top left. On the menu, click on History. You can clear all the YouTube history by clicking the option Clear All Watch History from the right. Confirm by tapping Clear Watch History. Now that you've learned how to clear all your YouTube history, you have complete control over your privacy and online footprint. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.